Hey guys, how's it going? So this is just a real quick video really. It was based on a comment from a Facebook group that I'm on. Someone just asking about a GoPro 8 running on the Ronin SC and how the hypersmooth works with the GoPro with the gimbal, and sort of do they counterbalance each other or whichever. Last night I put together 4 clips, just using the dog as an example, throwing the ball for him. So what I'm going to do for the just for the purpose of showing you how everything was set up when I did everything. The camera itself was in slung mode, like so. So what I did is the first video was done with hypersmooth enabled and then sort of running after the dog. Second video obviously was hypersmooth, sorry, disabled. So what I'll do, let's put this back into the normal position. The first clip, which I'm just going to put on now, is using 2.7K at 24 frames per second in a linear state with hypersmooth enabled. Now, as you can see on the video, absolutely butterly smooth. I can't see any issues whatsoever. Now, this clip that you're watching now is again the same 2.7K at 24 frames in the linear mode with the hypersmooth disabled. The next clip again is just showing slightly different. So what we've done this time is I've got hypersmooth enabled 2.7K at 60 frames per second because I wanted to see the difference between the 24 and 60. So this is with hypersmooth enabled, and this is with hypersmooth disabled. Again, 2.7K at 60 frames in linear mode. So yeah, that was it really. Just a quick video to demonstrate that the GoPro 8 does work on the Ronin. As you can see, I've had to put some weights on here to be able to actually get the camera to sort of balance out. Otherwise, it ends up sort of dropping down that way because it's too much weight on here. This is, after all, designed for bigger cameras. But yeah, no, really good bit of kit. Hope you liked it.